Hi, everyone. Okay, for your next presentation, you're going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of a few things, certain types of foods, and you're going to compare them to each other. So turn to page 81 in your books and take a look at this purple box. You are going to choose 3 pairs of foods and talk about them. So this is how I would like you to do it. I am going to do the first one to give you an example, but you guys aren't allowed to use this first one. You can use any pair of food types here. So this is how I would do each section. After the welcome and the introduction, I will say, I'm going to talk about convenience food and food made from scratch. I'm going to talk about the pros and cons. For convenience food, we know that it is quick and easy to make, like microwave pizza. You can just put it in the microwave. So those are the pros. It's quick and easy. But some of the cons are that maybe it's not very nutritious and that it is unhealthy. On the other hand, food made from scratch takes a long time. It's time consuming and it needs a lot of planning. So it needs even much more planning than convenience food. However, the pros or the advantages are that at least we know where the ingredients are coming from and we know that it is nutritious, which is good for us. Next, I'm going to talk about fried foods and low-fat foods. And you continue. Now notice that I have a piece of paper in my hand, and this is what I expect you to do. You should not have full sentences. You can make a nice table like this that lists the pros and cons of each type of food. But notice I have no sentences. And when I was presenting, I wasn't just reading anything. I was looking up at you. I was talking to you. I mean, you can't tell so much from my eyes, but I wasn't like looking down and reading anything. You need to keep your video on for this presentation. You must. I need to see how you are presenting yourself so that I can give you feedback on that. So, to recap, you're going to choose 3 pairs of foods, as you see here. And you're going to talk about the pros and cons of each. Minimum 2 pros and cons for each. So you notice that for convenience food, I said it is quick and it is easy. Those were the pros. And then it is also unhealthy and not nutritious. Those are the cons. Okay. This takes practice, but there is no way that I want you to type up your whole speech and read it, or write down your whole speech and read it. No, just take notes, just like we have been practicing in doing note-taking. But these notes are going to help you present without making it sound like you're a robot. Okay, I hope that makes sense.